Hi guys, it's me, Cam. I am not doing singing videos today because I am still focusing on it. So I just said to myself, maybe I can just make a toy review. So I said, let's do it, and guess what I have? I have Noms Pizza Party Series 2. I am so excited to open this with you, so let's start. So we have to open this. Sometimes you need to ask your grown-up to help you, but for me, I'm just fine. Dum Dum smells so delicious. Did you know that? Oh, know that. Oh, there's a secret inside here. So here is the checklist, so we know which type of recipes can be here. Here, it's so pretty. And there's some of this instructions. Okay, instructions. And here is the flyer or collections guide. Wow, there are so many here. Oh, here it is. The pizza Noms. So let's see. So here we have chili go-go. Let's just press this and whoa! It moves around. See? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, now it's just ticklish. Let's see what we have. What else? Oh! This smells amazing. I wish you would be here to smell this. So let's see. Who is this? This is Sammy S'mores. That is delicious. Okay, let's see what's next. Oh, what is this? Who do we have here? Pina Aloha. Wow. It really smells like pineapple. Do you guys like pineapple? Tell me in the comments. Oh, it's time to go to our last. Oh, wow, it's stuck in there. Oh, here we are. Our last one. Who is this beautiful one? Pepperoni. Yep, it's pepperoni. Oh, it smells amazing. And it comes with a little pizza box that cannot close properly. Oh, there. Okay. It comes with a pizza box. You can just put a num in there. Then you can't close it, but you can just do it like that. Cutie. And let's see. What is this? It's a cutter. Wow, but it doesn't really work. But it's so realistic, and it says Noms on it. So cute. Cute, and there's others. I did not know that. Here's a little peek of the checklist. You can see a little more of that. Tell me who's your favorite in the comments below. So I really wish you had a fun time in this video. Oh, somebody's gonna do something. They're saying bye-bye. Bye!